Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a video that you have all been requesting for a very long time, and I have been putting it off for an equally long amount of time, but it is my sticker storage. So how I store all of my stickers, my whole sticker collection, including multicolor, random stickers, kits, foil, characters, things like that. So this might end up being a longer video than I thought it would be, so I'm just gonna jump right into it. First up I have is my character sticker organization. You guys know, if you watch my Plan With Me's, I love using character stickers. I think they're so fun and whimsical and like a really cute way to mark different events, just because there are so many character sticker shops that do so many different activities, and even if it's the same activity, every character artist's take on it is a little different and it could fit the mood perfectly. So I do have an in-depth video on my character sticker organization and what that and all that. So I will have that link down below if I can remember. Maybe I'll link it up here in a little card, but I will leave a link to the binder and these plastic inserts. I don't know what they're meant for. I think they're meant for pictures, but they can hold a lot of stickers. Some of these sections are super thick. I kind of want to go ahead and reorganize this, but right now in my life I just don't have time, and I do know pretty much where everything is. I just think I could be a little more efficient with this, but this is great. I love it. I have everything like sectioned off by categories, so I can find stickers quicker, and it makes it so I can put away stickers faster. I don't even remember how I had my stickers before. I think I had them in the Container Store accordions. I honestly can't remember, but this system for character organizing has changed my life. So I highly recommend doing this if you have a ton of character stickers. Even if you don't and you're just collecting, like, this is super handy to have, and it's super easy to put stickers away. You don't have to put any thought into it, so it's great. I love this. This is all my character stickers. Like I said, I will have a link to the in-depth video down below in the description box. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this where it goes. If you guys haven't seen my planner desk tour, I'm gonna insert a clip of where I actually keep all my stickers. I have an IKEA Alex desk, and there's a little flap that opens up, and I think it's meant to hide cords and things like that, but I actually opened it up and I just put all my stuff in there, as you can see in this clip. So yeah, that's where I store all my stickers when it's not in the separate little storage areas. Okay, so next up, let's move on to, I guess, miscellaneous stickers. They're miscellaneous because they either don't fit in my character organization or they're not character stickers. I don't reach for these a lot, except a few in the front, but yeah, this is just where I store everything. So this is an accordion little folder organizer from the Container Store. I love these so much. I've had these for as long as I can remember, even before planning, but they open up really wide. They can fit so many stickers. Like, I remember it used to be full to the brim and it would just accordion out like that. So now it's a little thinner because I do have all my characters in that binder, but we have some Mandy Dreams stickers. We have some foils from Clever Gal Crafts. I have some multicolor from Scribble Prints Co. in here. I have some multicolor from Chic Street Sticker Boutique. Then I have some miscellaneous functional stickers from Scribble Prints Co., some more Chic Street Sticker Boutique, some random sticker sheets that I have from, well, it's like one sheet from one shop. Then I have my blanket planner headers in here, my Pigeon Paper Company stickers in here, just because they didn't fit in the character, binder, and I didn't want to cut them because they're cut so like pretty, so I couldn't bear. Then I have some KPL Plans stickers and Disney stickers in here, some Once More with Love foldable stickers, and then I have all of my Mandy Dreams glitter headers in the back over here. So that is just like a miscellaneous ragtag bunch of stickers that I keep in there because they kind of have nowhere else to go. So the next thing I actually have to pick up off the floor is how I store my foil. Now, this is a storage video and I'm explaining to you guys how I personally store my stuff, but out of all the ways I store all my other stickers, this is the only one I do not recommend the way I have it right now. But it is my foil collection. It is in a small Happy Scrappy photo album or sticker album, and there is a lot of it. Originally, my whole foil collection did fit in here, and it would fit nicely into the little crook of the cable hidden part of my desk. But then the day that I organized it, Andrea actually sent me some happy mail with a lot of happy new foil in it, which is why I'm kind of like showing it to you guys like this, because there are some secrets in here. But yeah, so then I organized all of the new stuff and it just exploded, and it doesn't even shut, and I like cannot for the life of me stick it in there. So that's why I keep it on the floor until I can organize this into 2 separate mini photo albums. I think I have a photo album, so this should, yeah, I have a Wonton and a Million sticker album, so it shouldn't be that hard to do it, but I just need to find the time because this is a lot of foil, guys. So I do recommend putting them in like a sticker album, but maybe doing 2 if you've got a lot of foil, because you got your gold, your silver, your rose gold, and you have the fun colors coming out. Then you have your wiggles, and you want to keep all your wiggles together so they get their own compartment. Like it's just a lot. So I do recommend these sticker albums for this, but if you have a collection as big as mine, I do not recommend this. Also, don't put it on the floor next to your garbage can, because then whoever's cleaning up will probably decide that those stickers are garbage and take them. This has happened to me. If you guys have watched my Plan With Me, I've told this story, but my cleaner did take those foiled stickers thinking that I was throwing them out. As thick as that was, she thought it was garbage, but she didn't think it was garbage enough to take it for herself. It's fine. It was funny, and I'm just glad she brought it back because that is a lot of foil. So before I move on to the sticker kits and how I store those, plus how I store the kits that I'll be using for the upcoming weeks, I have a little sticker album here, which just comes with, sorry, I had to cut that part out because it was a picture of little squishy, when did I ever call him squishy? Smushy, Lil Bennett. Okay, so this is a sticker album. Here's the cover. It's just like cheapy plastic, like it looks like someone laminated a glitter cover. You could probably make these, honestly, now that I think about it. But I bought this on Amazon. You guys have seen this sometimes in my videos when I pull off stickers from here, but here's just where I put a bunch of my extra stickers. If a sticker sheet has just 1 sticker on it, I will move it to here. So I just have a bunch of here. So many Pikachu and Oh My God stickers, plus the Love Me ones. These are so funny. But yeah, this is just where I store all my excess stickers and things like that, and things on freebies, so I don't have little freebies piling up everywhere and I can see them better laid out like this. So that is from Amazon, and I will have everything linked down below as far as the storage items. So if you guys are curious about anything, it would be listed down below. So now moving on to sticker kits. I have 2 sticker albums from Happy Scrappy that she kindly sent to me. Well, she sent it to Andrea, who then gave him to me, which I love this one so much because I drew that. I can't, it's so pretty. But anyway, I have one is the Cinderella's Castle from Disney World that I drew, that they turned, Andrea and Sam turned into a sticker album, which is pretty because it's foil goodness and there's fireworks. I love it so much. It's a little soft serve with some churros. Love that. But okay, I guess I'll start with this one. But in this one, I actually keep sticker kits that are not Scribble Prints Co. So I have some, what is this? I have Sadie stickers. I have 2 Little Bees. I have Crafty Banana, Peach Palm, Planning World. I have Chic Street Sticker Boutique. Wow, that was a nice diverse group of stickers. Yes. What is this? Oh, okay. Will you be my Valentine? That doesn't belong here, but am I gonna stick this back in here because I'm lazy? Yes, ma'am. So this is just where I keep all my sticker kits that are not Scribble Prints Co. ones. I think it's because I know I have a lot of Scribble Prints Co. kits and I don't want this to like balloon out because I kind of like it flat like this. I don't know. So that is where I keep my non-SPC kits. And then here is where I have all of my SPC kits. I put them in here and then I just, you know, it's easy to see them. This is also a Happy Scrappy album, like I said. So I just have them all each in their own little sleeves so I can flip through them real quick to see if I have anything that I need for a certain week, or if these haven't been assigned to a week yet. What am I saying? Sorry, my phone vibrated and I completely lost my train of thought. I genuinely don't remember where I was going with any of this, and I probably said all I needed to say, but yeah, what more can you say? These are the taller Happy Scrappy albums. I think that's what I didn't mention. So these are perfect for kits, especially Scribble Prints Co. ones. They seem to fit perfectly, which is kind of amazing. how do things work out like that? But yeah, so here is where I will pull out if I need any of my Scribble Prince Co. kits, or when I get some new ones, they go in there, although that is getting stuffed. So, I don't know, maybe it's time to de-stash some kits. Okay, last but not least, this is where I store my Plan With Me's. That's a funny way of saying that, but this is just essentially a small binder from Staples or Amazon, and it doesn't come with them, but I bought these like little slips similar to the ones in my character organization, but these are long. And then I have these dates from Scribble Prince Co. If these are still up on the website, I will have them linked down below. I'm not sure if they are, but they probably are. I don't know. It will be linked down below. I also have a post-it note in here because there are sometimes weeks where I know what kit I'm gonna use, but it hasn't come out yet, or I need to remember to buy it, or maybe it hasn't come in yet, anything like that. I will write down with a Sharpie the name of the kit, and then I'll stick it on to the insert. So I take these stickers and I put them each on one of the inserts. I used to undo them after every week because, like, let's say I take this insert, like I'm gonna use this kit next week. So I would take this out and then I would put this insert in the back, but I would stick the new sticker on it to mark it an insert for a new day. Things like that. But yeah, I have basically all my kits planned out. If I don't have a particular kit planned out for a week, then I will leave the insert blank, or like I said, if I know what kit I'm gonna use that week but I just don't have it yet, I will stick a sticker on it. So it goes kind of quarter monthly. I think the set came with maybe like 15, 20 inserts, I'm not sure. But yeah, they're all in here. I used to keep kits that I was waiting for the date to come on the insert, but I put them in the photo albums now. It's just a lot easier that way, and then this doesn't get really bulky. So I really love this system. Before, I used to just stack them one on top of the other and stick them in my little pencil holder because they fit nicely in here, and I would just stack them in the order. But Andrea, the genius that she is, figured this out, and I have not looked back ever since. This is like the best system, I think, for if you do Plan With Me's, or just like in general planning out your kits, and then that way you don't order more than you're gonna need. I mean, I still do that with SPC kits, but yeah, this way it's a little bit more organized and you can see everything clearer. And it's also not like a permanent solution. I don't know why I used to pre-plan my weeks, and then sometimes I'd be like, dang, a new kit came out and now I can't change it. But this is better because you can just slip them in and out. You can like rearrange them and all those things. Everything like that. I don't know why I'm trying to overcomplicate a super simple system, but yet that is it. I tried to make this pretty. Did it work? Probably not. So there you have it, guys. That is how I store my entire sticker collection. Every little single sticker that I have is stored somewhere in these binders, sticker albums, or accordion files. It's a system that works really well for me and has taken a little bit of time to set up and to get comfortable with how I store things. This personally works really well for me. If you guys have any tips or tricks for storing the foil, I'm open to suggestions. It's gonna be a minute until I organize that anyway. But yeah, don't forget to check out the character organization video if you guys are interested in that. That will be linked down below, along with all the shops and stores that you can get these organizers from. Okay, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you next time. Bye!